Hello there and welcome to Atoms into Ions. So first of all, what is an ion? An ion is an atom or a group of atoms with a positive or a negative charge. Ions are formed when atoms lose or gain electrons to obtain a full outer shell. Okay, so metals in atoms lose electrons to form positively charged ions, and these are what we call metals. Atoms gain electrons to form negatively charged ions, and these are called non-metals. Now, we already know that you can mix two substances together without either of them changing. For example, you can mix sand and copper sulfate together and then separate them again. So no change will have taken place to the sand or the copper sulfate, for example. So however, in chemical reactions, the situation is very different. When the atoms of two or more elements react chemically, they make what we call a compound. And a compound contains two or more elements which are chemically combined. Losing electrons to form positive ions, in ionic bonding, the atoms involve lose or gain electrons to form charged particles called ions. Okay, so in this case, ions are is an atom or a group of atoms with a positive or a negative charge, and ions form when atoms lose or they gain electrons. That's the most important thing that you will need to know from this particular topic itself: atoms into ions, how to convert atoms into ions. You've got a couple of diagrams there that give you a little bit more information as well, but have a read of the diagrams in detail and the text and try answering the question just to improve your knowledge in this particular subject area. And in our next class, we'll review this particular lesson in detail and we'll go through the information in detail. Thank you so much.